Hi, Jill DeWitt here, co-founder of Land Academy. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Hey, I want to inform you about this upcoming training slash informational webinar I'm going to do next Tuesday, January 31st at 4 o'clock Pacific time. So 7 o'clock Eastern time. I'm going to do the math here. Yeah, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 changes successful investors like us are making in 2023. Plus, in addition to that, I'm so excited. I have a couple of big announcements I'm going to be releasing, like Land Academy is going to be reopening. I'm going to have information about that. I'm going to talk about my upcoming Land Academy ladies group for 2023. Super excited. And happy to announce we have dates picked out for those of you who've been asking for Career Path Session 6. And that's, so what it is, it's our first one. Probably only gonna do 2 in 2023. So this is gonna be the first one coming this spring. And I will talk all about that in my webinar. You know, and in addition to that, the training and what I'm gonna really talk about is what we're focused on right now and what you need to be thinking about so you also can be better prepared wherever you are in your investment career and be set up to just kill it this year. I want you to financially, you know, hit all your goals and then some. And if you're not at that place yet, don't worry. Tune in, and I'm going to answer questions. We'll talk about everything that you need to be thinking about now to get started. I'd like to pause just a moment and share a sweet note that Jack and I received at the end of last year from dear Land Academy members, the Alons. They wrote, "Dear Steve and Jill, as we end 2022, Kathy and I want to tell you how truly thankful we are for Land Academy and allowing us to be part of your group. We found Land Academy when we needed it the most, and we're proud to say this is our 5th very profitable year. As you know, we just completed a trip to the Caribbean and Spain. These trips would not have been possible without your teachings and the profits we made from land flipping. Land investing has made a huge difference in our family. It has given us an income to help struggling family members, pay for our daughter's education, and given us recreational money to spend on the good things in life. We now have investing knowledge that will be with us for the rest of our lives. And for that, we are incredibly grateful to the both of you, with much love and respect, the Alons." So thank you so much. I just wanted to share that because this is our community. This is who we are, and this is what we do. So we are here to teach you and make sure you have the tools that you need to do this, and the support and the community if you want to be an investor like us. So please join me. I hope to see you live on January 31st, Tuesday. Bye.